ET phone home.
Num num. Okay, let's go. Now we are on the move again. We are going to Ghent now with my current boyfriend.
Current? The fuck you say?
Mut sä oot mun tärkehetkinen boyfriend.
Joo, mutta se tarkoittaa, että ensi viikolla sulla on eri.
Ei hän tarkoita. Me and my boyfriend are going to Ghent now. We're gonna go see this castle and then we're gonna rent bikes and then stroll around the city and vaan suoraan tästä.
Tää tulee kyllä joku Viro mieleen. Eteen.
Was built in 1200. This was a tour juste comme il le fait à Venise. Très calme, sirène, très romantique et très cher. Museum with a very nice audio guide. But what they don't tell you in this museum is that this castle was taken